Hi, today we're going to see the continuation of day 1 series. Today, day 2. Okay. Uh, so today topic we're going to see in networking is crimping method. Okay. So last series I was stopped in the straight cabling crimping and cross cabling crimping. Okay. So today we can see what is straight cable crimping and cross cable crimping. Okay. Straight cable crimping means, so in the with the help of straight cable crimping or cross cable crimping, we can connect the devices. Okay, so in the last video I was saying that plus t and plus r and minus t and minus r is a sending receiving mechanism. Okay, so cross cable crimping means we are connecting the wires in the uh, cross crossing with crossingly we are connecting the uh, wires. Okay, so this sending mechanism, okay, plus t and plus r, receiving mechanism minus t and minus r, and sending mechanism is plus t and minus t, receiving mechanism is plus r and minus r. So you see, you can see and identify easily it is a wire is crossingly attaching, so it is called cross cable crimping. If you see this second devices, in this ports are connecting straightly. Okay, so these cables are connecting straightly, it is called straight cable crimping. Okay, so where we should use where we should use straight cable crimping and the cross cable straight cable crimping and cross cable crimping, it is based on the pin behavior. Okay, so based on the pin behavior, we are using the straight cable crimping and the cross cable crimping. Okay, so in manual, so we are all humans. Okay, so we are all humans. We will make an error while connecting the wire. Okay, connecting. So we will make an error in connecting the sending and receiving mechanism, where it will come so little it will become a confusion. So in the most of the organizations, they are using the auto mdix. Okay, so it is an automatically it will connect. Okay, so if suppose we are handling the connecting the wires wrongly, if we install the auto mdix, if in the two devices, if suppose any sending signals and arriving signals automatically opposite side will change the plus r to minus r automatically. Okay, so it will change automatically plus r to plus t and plus v to plus v minus v to minus v, automatically it will change. Okay, so there is no human error. Okay, so we can see the what is straight cable. Okay, if suppose we are connecting the cable UTP cable from A device to B device. Okay, so the port which is connected is called Ethernet. Okay, so this interface is called Ethernet interfaces. Okay, so that port is called Ethernet port in all devices. Okay, in all devices there will be the Ethernet port. In the Ethernet port you should connect with the UTP cables. At the back of the Ethernet port there is a one card is called as a NIC card. So the NIC card means network interface card. It contains two addresses, MAC addresses and IP addresses. Okay, so what is MAC addresses? MAC address is like a it is an identification. IP address is a physical, like a physical address. Okay, so in a postcard, uh, we have compulsorily we have to fill the from address and to addresses. It is like an as same as like a IP addresses. So IP address is a from address and to address of the two devices. MAC address is an identification. Okay, so we will say the route to one person. So near this my house is there, near shop, this shop my house is there. So it is like an identification address. Okay, so this two addresses, MAC address and IP address is like a very important address to the devices. So in the NIC card, in the network interface card, they will allot a IP addresses. Okay, so now what is the functions of the NIC card? Okay, so what are the functions of the NIC card is, it is used to convert the binary signals into the electrical signals into binary. Okay, so the computer don't know the human language, like it doesn't so it don't know the ABCD, what we type in the keyboard. Computer don't know the our language. Okay, so computer device knows only zeros and ones and zeros and ones. So NIC card is playing a major role. He is a NIC card is playing a translator role. Okay, what he is doing? Okay, it is translating our language into binary language and binary language into our language. Okay, so for example, one person is standing. Okay, one person is standing, he knows only Hindi and I know only English. Okay, so mediator or translator should be there, the person who knows Hindi and English. Okay, so he will translate me to in English, and he will translate to the other person in Hindi. Okay, so there are two type of NIC card, is wired NIC card and wireless NIC card. Okay, so now introduction to the OSI layers. Okay, before that we can see the history of the OSI layers. Why the OSI layers have been, why we need the OSI layer and the importance of the OSI layers. Okay, so there are two vendors, HP vendor devices are there. Okay, so before and all, uh, for example, if we take a particular one vendor, HP vendor devices. Okay, so in their on their motherboard. Okay, so on their motherboard they have uh, the own sending and receiving mechanism. Okay, so they have their own sending and receiving mechanism, and HP vendors are there, or HP vendors are there, and they will have their own sending and receiving mechanism. But what is the drawback, or what is the drawback there? Okay, so HP vendors can send to their device only. So one HP device can send the packet through the HP devices, and and uh, and other thing. Okay, so Dell vendors. Okay, so the Dell vendors can send the packet to the Dell devices. Okay, so Dell vendors and HP vendors cannot be communicated. So Dell device and HP device could not be communicated. Okay, so uh, they have brought. Okay, so the different vendors should be must be communicate easily. So they brought one condition is called OSI layer. So whenever the HP devices and the Dell device, they have to use the OSI layer conditions for sending and receiving mechanism. Okay, so with the help of this, strictly they brought the conditions. Okay, so with the help of the OSI layer, they brought they have formed the sending and receiving mechanisms. Okay, so in the next video we can detailedly we can see about the OSI layer. Okay, so uh, thanks for watching till with 10 minutes with the patience. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, please be with hope. We will bring to you a lots of information and knowledge to you. Okay, so thanks for watching. If any doubts, please leave a comments. Okay.